Are you frustrated with your rising electric bill? Well, you are not alone. This video will give you insight on various methods and tools available to assist you in reducing your electric bill. Also, I will explain about the various energy monitoring devices available to assist you. There are common sense ways to reduce electric consumption, such as replacing older generation lights with LED type, reducing usage by switching off the TV or lights when not being used, using certain appliances during off-peak rates if your power company bills using time of use. There are many websites and videos providing insight into these simple methods, so we will skip those and focus on the advanced method of reducing electricity use. Ultimately, the best approach is to measure the consumption of various appliances or electrical loads to assess the impact of each on your electric bill. This is accomplished by installing an energy consumption monitor. This tool is used to measure the amount of power used by the connected device. Let us start out by looking at how electricity gets from the power company to your home, and finally to your appliances. This is a simplified breakdown of a residential electrical system. Power from the utility company comes to your house and connects directly to the electric meter. This is where the utility measures your consumption for billing purposes. From there, electricity is passed on to the main electrical panel. At the panel, the power feeds all circuit breakers and creates many branch circuits. Each branch circuit feeds either a high-powered load or a group of small loads. Now that we have a basic understanding of a residential electrical system, let us have a look at the three main types of energy monitors available. They are 1. Single appliance monitor, 2. Main feed monitor, 3. Branch circuit monitor. 1. The single appliance monitor is the most basic and lowest cost. It is designed for use with electrical devices having a standard 120-volt plug. This type of monitor is inserted between the 120-volt wall receptacle and the load to be monitored. The monitor will display and record the amount of electric power consumed by this load. This type of monitoring is limited to devices which use a standard 120-volt plug. Large 240-volt loads such as dryer, stove, mains, or central AC cannot be monitored with this style of energy monitor. 2. A house main feed monitor. This type of device monitors the main supply feed to your electric panel. It reads and records the same thing the utility's electric meter does. Some of these types of energy monitors will also use analytics to attempt to identify some home loads. The technique of identifying appliances usage based on monitoring the mains is unpredictable and inaccurate. It works poorly and typically only discovers a few loads accurately. Most of the mains-only energy monitors require an internet connection to send data to the cloud. Your data resides on their cloud site. Although some systems offer free access to your data, it may be limited, requiring you to upgrade to a paid account to view historical data. 3. Multi-channel energy monitor installed next to your electrical panel. This will allow you to monitor the main feed from the power company, including each electric panel circuit. This method is the most accurate and comprehensive, providing the consumer with an accurate breakdown of the amount of energy used for each panel circuit, also called circuit breaker. Looking at the three options, it is clear that the multi-channel branch circuit energy monitor is the best investigative tool to assist you in reducing your energy consumption. This multi-circuit system gives the homeowner an accurate insight as to how much energy is consumed by devices connected to each circuit breaker. Basically, it will give you a breakdown of how much each circuit breaker channel consumes. This allows the consumer to determine if the load is functioning properly or using excessive power. Additionally, you may discover that some devices are powered needlessly. Let us have a closer look at the green-eye monitor system. Notice the blue devices inside the electric panel? These are the current transformers, typically called CT. They are non-intrusive sensors which are installed on every branch circuit, including the main feed. Every CT represents a channel on the system. By default, the main page displays the total consumption and also includes a breakdown of how much each branch circuit has consumed. The horizontal bar graph displays each channel in order of consumption. This provides the consumer with an itemized list of loads and corresponding impact on the overall bill. This will give the consumer an idea of the efficiency of the device, indicating service requirement or requires replacement for a more efficient model. Here is a perfect example of this. This consumer replaced his 52-inch LG plasma TV for a 75-inch Sony LCD TV in early 2022. The chart shows the TV's consumption for the same day but different years. One is from 2021 and the other from 2022. It is obvious by looking at the graph that the new larger TV actually uses a fraction of power compared to the previous TV. I should quickly mention that this system can also monitor temperature, water, or gas consumption. It is also loaded with features such as alerts, custom dashboards, and the ability to interface with some home automation systems. I hope this video has enlightened you in your quest for conserving energy. More videos will be available soon to explore the versatility of the Green Eye monitor and dashbox system. For more information on this system, please refer to brultech.com.